Everyone, welcome back to our session. In the last lesson, we learned how to access data from NumPy arrays using indexing and slicing. Now imagine you have a marks of 5 students. The principal says give every student 5 marks bonus. Will you update each student marks one by one? No, right? NumPy let us perform calculations on the entire dataset with just one line of code. And today we will learn NumPy mathematical operations and one of its most powerful features called broadcasting. Here is a small example for you. What? Here is a small example for you. Suppose all student receives 5 bonus marks. Instead of changing each value manually, let us see how NumPy does it automatically. Okay, like 80 plus 5, 70 plus 5, 75 plus 5, and 90 plus 5, and 60 plus 5. Let us see in the automatic way. Here I have created a small data set for you. Here is a small data set for you. Shift enter. Here I imported a Python NumPy library and np.array. It gives the array. It creates a NumPy array and print marks. It will display the whole array here. Now here let us see the addition operation in the NumPy. Here NumPy adds 5 to the every element in the array automatically. What? NumPy adds 5 to the every element in the array automatically. Let us see how. 80 plus 5, 85. 75 plus 5, 80. 90 plus 5, 95. 60 plus 5, 65. Now let us see the updated marks here. Yeah, we got an output here. Same like for the subtraction and for the multiplication and for the division also. Let us see the output here for the subtraction, and this is for the multiplication, and this is for the division. Okay, now let us see the operations between two arrays. What operations between two arrays? Here, suppose two exams were conducted, like exam 1 and exam 2. Here NumPy adds elements based on their positions. What elements based on their positions? Like first plus first, and second plus second, and third plus third, and fourth plus fourth. Here now we will get the output. Here we will get the output. Yeah, we got the output here. 80 plus 5, 85. 75 plus 10, 75 plus 10, 85. 90 plus 2, 92. 60 plus 8, 8. Okay. Here now let us understand what is a broadcasting. Here broadcasting sounds like a difficult word, but the idea is very simple. It means NumPy automatically applies a single value to the every element in an array. Same like addition only. What? Same like addition only. Here marks equal to np.array. Here we have an array. It will add the 5 bonus marks to the array, like 80 plus 5, 85, 75 plus 5, 80, 80 plus 90 plus 5, 95, and 60 plus 5, 65. Now let us see the output here. Yeah, we got the output. Now let us see the mini project for you. Here I have made a small mini project which is salary hike calculator. Okay, here here the first print, here the first print, here the first print shows the original salary, and the second print shows the updated salaries after adding 2000, to the every employee, means 2000, 25,000 plus 200. Let us see the output here. Yeah, we got the output here. This is the original salary and this is the updated salary, and we are adding the 2000. Okay, now here are some beginner mistakes. Some beginner mistakes. Here the mistake one is trying to add arrays of different sizes. Like array 1 is with 3 and array 2 with only 2. How it possible? It is wrong, right? So it gives an error. And mistake 2, thinking the original arrays changing automatically. Like marks plus 5 returns a new array. If you want to save the updated value, now you have to assign a variable, new variable for that. Okay, and I hope you understand. In the next video we will learn the NumPy statistical functions, and it is the most important one in the machine learning. See, just be patient and learn and learn thoroughly and learn patiently. And just please support me and subscribe the channel. Thank you.